Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we embark on a thrilling exploration of 8 passive income strategies that can reshape your financial journey. I know you're eager to discover the secrets to financial independence and build a reliable income stream. Rest assured, you're in the right place. Over the years, I've fine-tuned these strategies to generate around $27,000 per week. Keep in mind, this journey took 8 years, and I've crafted this video as the ultimate guide to help you avoid the pitfalls and challenges I faced. So, without further ado, let's dive into the world of passive income. The passive income myth. Before we start, let's clarify the term, passive income. While the phrase might suggest earning money without any effort, the reality is a little different. Passive income refers to revenue that isn't directly tied to the hours we put in. For example, writing a book or creating an app are ways to generate income without continually investing time. It's important to remember that there's no such thing as a get-rich-quick scheme. Success lies in providing value, and building passive income streams takes time and dedication. 1. Investing in stocks and shares. Investing in stocks is one of the easiest ways to generate passive income. By investing your savings in index funds such as the S&P 500, you can potentially earn a steady return. This approach is relatively low maintenance, making it an attractive option for those new to passive income generation. 2. YouTube. Creating a YouTube channel can be a fun and engaging way to generate passive income. However, reaching a level where you can earn a substantial amount from ad revenue takes time, effort, and dedication. On average, it takes around 90 videos to reach 1,000 subscribers, which is the minimum requirement for monetization. 3. Podcasting. Podcasting is another way to make passive income. To monetize your podcast, you can rely on sponsorships, ads, and affiliate marketing. While starting a podcast is relatively easy, growing your audience can be challenging. 4. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is the process of promoting and selling other people's products in exchange for a commission. To make a significant income from this strategy, you need to have a strong online presence, be it through a blog, social media, or YouTube channel. 5. Selling digital products. Selling digital products like ebooks, apps, and online courses can be a great way to generate passive income. To be successful, you need to create a product that genuinely solves a problem and is worth paying for. 6. Teaching online courses. Teaching online courses on platforms like Skillshare can be a rewarding way to share your knowledge and make money. The key to success is creating engaging, high-quality courses that attract students and garner positive reviews. 7. Patreon and membership sites. Creating a Patreon page or a membership site is an excellent way to generate passive income by offering exclusive content and benefits to your subscribers. To be successful, you need to provide consistent value and engage with your community regularly. 8. Subscription-based services. Subscription-based services like software, meal plans, or curated boxes can also generate passive income. However, starting and maintaining these businesses can be challenging and requires dedication to customer service and product quality. In conclusion, there are numerous passive income strategies to consider on your journey toward financial independence. However, remember that no approach is entirely passive, and each requires time, effort, and perseverance. As you explore these options, focus on providing value and being consistent in your efforts. By doing so, you'll be well on your way to building a financially secure future. Happy passive income hunting!